Again, we have a new game right now. Today, I wanted to speak about basic measurements in epidemiology. Some of the basic measurements can be acronymed as MDMANED, or I'm damned. They stand for mortality, morbidity, disability, natality, presence or absence of environment and other factors, and some demographic variabilities. Honestly, it's these are all the things that epidemiologists just check out on a regular basis. So some terminologies that are related to epidemiology are variate, as in the cases like very ate, whatever you eat, which gave you diarrhea, like that it is. In fact, it was actually discovered by John, used by John to discover cases of cholera in London. Another one was circumstances, which is like which helps you find out the circumference or the border around which the problem exists. Like air problem, water pollution. So how does epidemiology measure all of these? Well, we use mostly numbers. So we use rates, ratio, and proportions. Rates, again, you have crude rate, specific rate, or specific standard rate. Acronym as CSS, the programming language. So C stands for actual rates, and it is also called as unstandard. S is specific, and standard is standard. Mm, so again, yeah, we have other things like ratios, which are instant or specific, and proportions, which are uh, religious proportions, which indicate the relation in magnitude of a part or of a whole. So again, in these fields of measurements, you have numerator, which is the number of times an event has occurred in a population, and you have a denominator, which is related to the population. Or actually, denominators are two types, which are one which is related to the population, and the other which is related to the total events. Like population, in the sense you have median population, population in person time, etc, etc, and it's also related to the total number of events, like it can be per 1000 vehicle accidents or per 1 million vehicle miles, etc.